Does your air conditioner seem to be working overtime? Is your home constantly muggy in the summer? Do you suffer from allergies or have flare-ups of your asthma during the summer? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're likely experiencing too much humidity. Let me introduce you to the Aprilaire E100 Whole Home Dehumidifier. In this video, we'll go over its features, explore the costs, and see who will benefit the most from this dehumidifier. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire and Ice. Here in Central Ohio, our summers can get very uncomfortable quickly due to humidity. Time and time again, we're asked by homeowners if there's any way to keep the humidity at bay and make them more comfortable in their home. Many of our customers are relieved to learn about the Aprilaire E100 Whole Home Dehumidifier and its benefits. In this video, we'll go over the Aprilaire E100 Whole Home Dehumidifier and cover what is a dehumidifier, what are the features of the Aprilaire E100 dehumidifier, who's the right fit for this dehumidifier, how much does the E100 cost, and finally, what are the next steps? By the end of this video, you'll know if the Aprilaire E100 Whole Home Dehumidifier is right for you. What is a dehumidifier? Before we dive into the features and benefits of the Aprilaire E100, let's take a few moments to discuss what a dehumidifier does and its benefits. A dehumidifier is a piece of equipment that removes humidity from the air. By removing excess moisture from the air, it makes your home healthier and more comfortable. Relative humidity levels in your home should be between 40 and 60%, and a humidity level of 50% is considered ideal. Too much humidity inside your home has two effects. It makes your air conditioner work harder, resulting in reduced efficiency, and second, it increases the likelihood that your air will contain bacteria, viruses, allergens, mold, and other particulates. Now that we've covered what a dehumidifier does, let's talk about the features of the E100. First, its ability to remove up to 100 pounds of water per day. That's over 12 gallons of water. Second is its ease of installation. The E100 is able to be connected to your current HVAC system or be freestanding. Both setups will contribute to dehumidifying your entire home. Third is its ease of maintenance and operation. The E100 has top or side-facing control panels for easy access and direct control with an easy-to-understand interactive display. The E100 also comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Lastly, the E100 is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning that it is nationally recognized for its efficiency. Most homeowners don't start seeing signs of high humidity levels in their home until the temperatures start rising. Some of the signs of high humidity in your home could include higher than normal energy bills during the summer, dampness in the basement, your upper levels are considerably warmer than the main floor, and finally, a noticeable increase in the amount of mold in the home. All of these could be signs that your home's relative humidity is far above what's considered healthy. The Aprilaire E100 is designed to bring the humidity in your home down and maintain it at your preferred level. If your home has multiple levels where the second floor is considerably hotter than the first floor, or your basement feels muggy and damp, you might want to consider a dehumidifier like the E100. If you experience a higher than usual electric bill during the summer, it could be your air conditioner is working overtime, trying to remove the excess humidity from your home. Not only does this cost you more money, but it can also leave you feeling hot and uncomfortable in the home. Since the E100 is able to remove up to 100 pounds of moisture from the air each day, it can also take a lot of the burden from your air conditioner, increasing its efficiency and lowering your summer utility bills. Additionally, the E100 is ideal for households with allergy sufferers or someone that has breathing difficulties. Many pathogens like bacteria, viruses, mold, and other nastiness in the air prefer damp, humid air. Maintaining an indoor humidity level at 50% is one of the best ways of maintaining the health of you and your loved ones. Now, it should be stated that the Aprilaire E100 is not for everyone. Since it is another investment, the cost might outweigh the benefit for some homeowners. Or if you aren't experiencing any discomfort due to humidity, the E100 might not be for you. Now, you might be wondering, how much does the E100 cost? Depending on whether or not you have the dehumidifier attached to your ductwork or not, the cost could range between $2,000 and $3,000. At Fire and Ice, all of our prices include the cost of the equipment, labor, and additional fees. With regular use, this cost can be recouped in cost savings as well as in the comfort and health of your home. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Aprilaire E100 or other indoor air quality solutions, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.